Hi, this is Jerry. Welcome back to my channel. Do you think learning Chinese is so hard? Maybe you are using the wrong method. Have you ever tried learning through music? It's one of the easiest way to pick up new words, training your ear and sound more natural, without feeling like you are studying. But not all songs are good for learning. Some are too fast, too complex, or just not practical for beginners. Today, I will share the best Chinese songs to help you learn faster and actually enjoy the process. I will explain why learning Mandarin through songs is effective, discuss common challenges and solutions, and share my top songs recommendations. Wants to boost your Chinese vocabulary fast? Grab my full resources in the description and master 50 essential Chinese words in a short time. So why learn Mandarin through songs? Learning Mandarin through songs is one of the most effective and enjoyable methods out there. Why? Because music naturally helps you absorb the language in a way feels effortless. First, song makes memorization much easier. With their rhythm and repetition, they help words and phrases stick in your mind. You are not just memorizing vocabulary, you are connected into a melody which makes it harder to forget. Second, songs expose you to real-life language. Many of them use conversational phrases and expressions that you will actually hear and use in daily life. Instead of textbook sentences that might sound unnatural, you get familiar with the way people really speak. Third, they are a great way to practice pronunciation. Singing along helps to train your tones and pronunciation in a way that feels natural and low pressure. It's much less intimidating than speak, but just as effective. Most importantly, music makes learning fun. It keeps you engaged and motivated, even on the day when you don't feel like studying. Instead of forcing yourself to memorize a word, you will find yourself naturally picking them up just by enjoying a song. Here are some downsides of learning through songs. While learning through music is a great way to improve your Mandarin, it does come with some challenges. It's not a perfect method, and there are a few things that you need to watch out for. One issue is that lyrics don't always use standard language. Some songs are poetic, overly casual, or even grammatically unusual. If you try to copy them in daily conversation, you might end up sounding unnatural or confusing. Another challenge is pronunciation. When words are sung, their tones often change to fit the melody. This can make it tricky for beginners who are still trying to master Mandarin tones. If you rely too much on songs, you might pick up incorrect pronunciation habit without realizing it. Then there's a problem of context. Many lyrics are full of metaphors, slang, or cultural reference that don't make sense unless you already understand the background. Without that knowledge, some phrases might seem strange or difficult to use in real life. That said, music is still an incredibly fun and effective way to learn, as long as you're aware these challenges and use it alongside with other methods. So, how to overcome these challenges? Don't worry, you can still make the most of learning Mandarin through songs with the right approach. The best way to start is by keeping it simple. Choose slow songs or even children's songs that use clear pronunciation and basic vocabulary. This will help you build a solid foundation before moving on to more complex lyrics. Pay close attention to the lyrics. Don't just listen. Read along as you go. Try to understand the meaning of each line. Look up unfamiliar words and notice how phrases are used in context. This way, you are not just memorizing sounds, but actually learning useful language. Most importantly, don't rely on music alone. Songs are a great tool, but they work best when combined with other learning methods. Use them as a fun addition to your studies, while also practicing grammar, conversation, and listening to standard spoken Mandarin. By using songs the right way, you will make your learning experiences more enjoyable and effective without falling into common traps. Alright, here are my top 3 songs that help you learn Mandarin. These are great for beginners or anyone looking to improve their listening skills. First, pinyin songs for kids. If you are a total beginner, don't overlook children's songs. Songs like Two Tigers or Little Star are easy, fun, and great way to learn basic words and tones. Second, The Moon Represents My Heart. This is a classic by Teresa Tan. The melody is slow and beautiful, making it easy to follow. The lyrics are simple and repeat often, so you will pick up words like moon, heart, and love. And lastly, The Brightest Star in the Night Sky by Escape Plan. This modern pop ballad has the meaningful lyrics and slow tempo, making it easy to follow. It's a great song to practice vocabulary related to emotions and dreams, and the melody is unforgettable. To wrap up, here are some quick tips to help you get most out of learning Mandarin through songs. Always start with lyrics. Read through them first and look at any words you don't know. This makes it much easier to understand what you are listening instead of just guessing. Sing along as much as possible. Don't worry about getting it perfect, just go for it. Singing is a great way to improve your pronunciation and tones without feeling like you are practicing. Pick songs you actually enjoy. If you like the music, you will want to listen to it more, and that makes learning feel effortless. The more fun you have, the more likely you are stick with it. And finally, repeat often. Don't just listen once and move on. Play the same songs multiple times, sing along, and let the words sink in. Repetition is one of the best way to make new vocabulary and phrases stick. With these tips, you will be able to learn Mandarin through music in a way that's fun, effective, and natural. So there you have it. Learning Mandarin through music is not only effective, but also a lot of fun. Try out some of these songs and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe to the channel. Before you go, don't forget to grab my free resources in the description below to master 50 essential Chinese words in a short time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video. Bye.